guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I will be talking about a new website which is called as YOINS, which is a short form of Yours Inspiration. How did I get the inspiration of doing this particular video is, number one, first, I think long time back I did a giveaway of a particular bag. It was a very beautiful pastel pink color bag. If I can find the picture of it, I'll put it on the screen, but I think I did send to one of you, and it was a very beautiful bag. The quality of that really intrigued me into buying some more stuff from there. And second, of course, I did get the request of actually reviewing this website for you guys from one of you, and there's also a few more requests of reviewing certain more websites which I would love to. I'm really sorry, I know aapke requests delayed ho jate hain, but I'll do them for sure. So today I have YOINS, ladies and gentlemen, for you, and I have purchased everything from their website. It is an international website that sells a lot of fashion stuff, a lot of utility stuff. It sells basically every single thing. So I got a couple of dresses, bags and shoes. So let's quickly begin. So the first dress, which of course will look really old to you guys, because I received all of these things I think 2-3 weeks back and I was just delaying it. It's a very beautiful denim romper. I have worn it like I can't even tell you, I think 25 times since then, because I've been wearing it seriously on repeat, and this is what it looks like. It has these frilly sleeves, then a very nice belted part over here, useful pockets, and the romper looks like this. It is so comfortable, guys, and at the back it has a zipper and looks somewhat like this. Why I love it so much? Because it makes me feel like I have abs. I don't work out, so any illusion like that really works a lot for me. So it looks really nice, it looks so pretty. I love it so much, and it's a very soft denim material. I'll give all the prices here on the screen for you. Everything that I paid was in dollar, and they take around 3 to 4 weeks to ship. In fact, 3 weeks se pehle hi sara saman aa gaya tha, and everything came via the India Post. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. The next thing that I got is this. So it's a nice dress which is like a coral color dress. I loved it a lot. It's actually a romper, not a dress. So I'm lately a lot into rompers. These kind of fabric, little georgette kind of a synthetic material is really good because it dries very quickly and is very comfortable, and for the most part I don't think it needs any ironing. So this is what it looks like. Of course you would be able to figure this thing out well in the try on, but roughly if I have to tell you, it has this overlapping neck which is very deep. I'm sure I need to do something with it. Of course ऐसे सारे नेक्स के साथ मेरा एक ही होप होता है, and that is a safety pin, and then scrunched up here like elasticated waist hai, and then it has this kind of a shorts underneath. It has a belt and there's a belt loop, so of course you can tie it around. It's a nice piece. Sleeves are like this, so it's a very comfortable piece. I just like to chill in these kind of pieces. Next things came in here. So this is a very beautiful mustard color ka, I don't know what, I think it's a shrug. Oh yeah, it's a shrug which has collar like this, and it goes all the way to the bottom. I think aapke mid calf tak aayega ye. It comes with a belt as well, and it's really nice. The fabric is really nice. In fact, everything was like really scrunched up, but it is not that wrinkly. So I can really manage to wear it, but of course agar aapko thoda sa aur spruced up lagna hai, to you can just iron it. It's really nice, and it's a beautiful transition piece. Now that we are almost in the autumn, it's a good piece to just throw over on some of your short dresses or t-shirts or something. But it looks really nice. I would love to wear it with shorts or something. Yeah, I really liked it. They had a lot of colors in this one as well, but mustard really appeals to me a lot. The next thing that I got, and of course the denim fabric or the denim color stuff, I got again this off-shoulder romper kind of a thing. I loved it so much that I picked up 2 of these in different styles, but of course this is denim and it looks so cool. 3/4 length sleeves, elasticated sleeve here, and this part feels so nice. It sits very comfortably. Then again at the bottom it is like this, just how a romper should be, with a belt, but sadly it doesn't have pockets. But I like it, but I would prefer any day this wala romper over the off shoulder one. However, this looks really cute, but इसमें pockets and all है, और इसका ये जो belt part है मेरी abs को बहुत ही flatter करता है. मतलब I just love it so much. Next I got this overall. It's a nice beige color, very light khaki color. I'm not really sure. It's a beautiful beige color actually. The fabric is very light, amazing for summer and monsoon. Of course you can wear it during the transition period as well, but I think I just missed just the size of this one. It is a bit loose on me. if you think you can wear it, let me know. I'm going to send it to you. This is generally the size small, but it is kind of way too baggy, or probably this is how it is supposed to be. And it is an overall which looks like this in the front and looks like this at the back. It has pockets at the back, it has pockets in the front, and you can roll it up and you can just wear sneakers and you would all be good to go. If you like this, let me know. I'm going to send it to you. The prices would be on the screen क्योंकि tax पे कुछ भी नहीं mentioned है. That was that. Then I'm going to show you the you know, a jacket or something. Is it a jacket or a trench coat? I'm not sure, but I got it. It's a nice you know, peach color, peach beige color, and it's so hot outside, but still, you know, it makes me feel hotter to see it. Depending on your height, it's going to fall around your mid thighs, and it is open. It doesn't have buttons or stuff, but it has these kind of lapels. Sleeves look like this, and it has pockets as well, and then it comes with a belt. So of course you'll have to tie it with a belt in the front because it doesn't come with any button or anything. I got myself in the size small, and I think it looks really nice. It looks really smart, and I just love it a lot. So that's why I just picked it up. I just loved how it looked on the model. I was doing a video of mine, और उसमें try on के part में I wore these shoes. So these strappy shoes, a lot of you really liked it, and a lot of you did ask me कहाँ से है. This is from YOINS, and YOINS के एक दो shoes मैंने पहले भी पहने हैं, and they are really good quality. The best part, इतनी comfortable, I cannot really believe it. It is a very nice material. It is kind of suede, faux suede, not really real suede. Otherwise I wouldn't have bought it in the first place. सबसे अच्छा मुझे ये लगा कि इसका heel height is like very minimal. It's like I think 1.5 inches of heel height. And then जो strappy part है वो बहुत thin है. It looks very nice, and then you can just buckle it up. ऊपर आपका ये strap आ जाएगा ankle पे. ये ankle strap है इसका दोनों का. Let me just secure it first and then show you. बहुत thin straps हैं, and they look really nice. I really liked it a lot, and it's very comfortable as well, as opposed to you must be feeling कि comfortable नहीं होगा and all, because the strap is very thin, but it looks really nice. It is a very elegant piece, and I really loved it so much. It's a beautiful color as well. So I think they had a lot of colors in this one, but I picked up this one because this is one color I really love to go for myself in footwear. Now moving on to the most amazing part would be the bags part. So the first bag that I got is this backpack. It's a really nice brown color backpack because it was all like scrunched up in the packaging. So the material is really nice. This is what it looks like, and because it is not filled up with anything, it has just lost its shape, but it's a really nice backpack. Inside of it there's a lot of space. It comes with this kind of a sling strap as well. The one thing that I really like is you know, the color part of it. Of course it is a good bag, it is a good size bag. So it comes with these kind of straps जो आप यहाँ attach करोगे, of course, because it is a backpack. और अंदर ये drawstrings है, but they also have this zipper, so that makes things really cool because you can actually secure all of your stuff. अंदर इसके you have a zipper pocket और फिर 2 slip-in pockets हैं. I really like it. One thing that I don't like is that it smells kind of funny. I don't know. I think इसके ऊपर कुछ oil polishing या कुछ ऐसा है, because it's new and it smells kind of like a new product. But moving on to some really cool bags which I'm so excited to show you guys. The first one is going to be this beautiful wallet. It's a tan color wallet. It looks so amazing. It has all this studding in the front. I love the size part of it because it's a perfect size, and it has some gold detailing over here, gold studs, and then of course it's for your mobile phone, and it comes with a sling as well, so you can attach a sling over here. So the next part is at the back. It has a zipper. It's a very functional wallet actually. The main compartment looks like this, so it has a lot of card slots over here because we all love cards and it's the world of plastic. So of course a lot of card slots, and also there's this flap over here where you can keep your currency. So this is a wallet which I absolutely love so much. I love the look of it, I love the color of it, and I love how versatile, how functional it is. The next bag that I have to show you is this one, guys. It's a black bag, and oh my god, it's such a nice bag. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful black bag, very structured, and such a classy bag. It is like a really boxy bag. The bottom part is so sturdy. It is a very sturdy bag. It is rock solid bag. It's beautiful. It comes with this kind of a handle. One thing that I've noticed is that apart from everything else, I mean, I like the shoes and the clothes, But I think I am more of a fan of YOINS bags. They make such amazing bags. The quality is really good. I've had an experience of such a bag, so that's why. So in order to open the bag, you just have to press it like this and just lift the flap, and inside of it, of course, I've stuffed it with a lot of things. There's a zipper compartment, and then you have the strap for the sling, and then there is a lot of zipper things inside. There's a middle compartment as well, a zipper middle compartment. Phir piche there's a zipper compartment. Yahan pe they have slip-in pockets. So it has basically 2 compartments divided by a zipper compartment. It's a really nice functional bag. You guys know that I love structured bags as opposed to you know, droopy bags. Or the non-structured bags. So, and it's such a boxy and a bossy bag that I simply love it so much. I love the structure on top as well. The fabric is really good quality, and it has, I think, a croc print. It's really nice. Love this one. Now the last thing of this particular haul is this, guys. I simply love this bag. It is one of my most favorite bags so far. Every bag came like this, and they also had provided the dust bags. Like all of these, all the bags came in these kind of bags. So I love this bag. It's a very beautiful beige color bag. Let me just quickly show you. The shape of this particular bag really got me into loving this bag. It's a very beautiful beige color bag. Then it has some cream studding, some cream and golden studding. Of course, I'm going to give you the close-up of it, and it has a handle like this. I love the shape of this one. It is a very kind of a unique shape, and the fabric is very soft, but the bag is still very sturdy. Then you just open the flap, and you have a zipper compartment, which is the main compartment. Inside of it, it is pretty much like any normal bag. So a zipper compartment at the back, or yahan pe those slip-in pocket comes with this kind of a strap. So it's a very beautiful bag. I love this bag. 2 pieces. It's a very classy bag. It's a very unique bag as well, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a head turner sort of a bag. So not just the looks, but the quality of this particular bag is also very nice. So that was everything from YOINS, guys. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box, so that if you want to check any of these things out, you can just have access to the direct links. Those links are not affiliate. I'm not making any money out of it. You can simply click them and find your way through these things. Also, I would just like to mention that yes, I did pay some custom charges. I think it was 20 to 25% of the total amount of the products that I received. If you're okay with custom, you can definitely go ahead and check this website out, because especially for bags and shoes, the quality of the bags and shoes is really good. I'm pretty sure you would love it. So do let me know which is your favorite thing in this haul, and I would love to know your feedback, your suggestion, your comments. Also, if you purchase anything from this particular website, which is called as YOINS or Yours Inspiration, let me know about your feedback, suggestions and all of that, because it's going to help us a lot. So that's it in this video of mine, guys. If you liked this video, I would really appreciate if you could just take a quick second and give this video a quick like. Also, yes, comment in the comment section. Be subscribed to my channel. I keep coming up with a lot of new websites, reviews, sale shopping, etc, a lot of things. So yes, you can be a part of this beautiful family by hitting that subscribe button. Hit that bell button for the notification. So thank you so much once again. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.